meeting was held. Can we say that it was with the interlocutor the meeting held?
See, we have met the advisor of Government of India, Northeast Afro, Mr. Mishra. And then our core demand we have placed before. Definitely he is going to convey the same to the Union government. That's end of it.
But the same issue was already brought before the Union Home Minister. So what is the development of this meeting?
Definitely there is development. Otherwise, why meeting after meeting will take place? Things will get good shape. Things are progressing.
Is it output of the threat that the Tipramota has said that they will block the roads and other things?
You see, blocking the road is part of the democratic protest. Okay. If required, we'll do so. Since the talk is going, let it happen, let it go. We'll see that what we can do next. But as of now, we have placed our demand through the advisor of Northeast Afro. Let us see.
Sir, a minister was there in the meeting or he had met separately?
Minister was not with the Government of India officials.
No, Tripura's Minister Shuklacharan was also...
See, they had different views. We had different. Other groups are also having.
What do you mean by other groups?
Samaj Prati.
Okay, Samaj Prati. So we found that after around 6 years later, IPFT has again raised the issue on this, and they have met in Delhi when you people are also meeting. Is it politically significant, sir?
We are politicians and everything is part of